Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Nico and I'm over here with HBi Auto. Today I'm going to be explaining our investment essentials package and what all is really included within that. So getting right into it, we're going to start out, we're going to do a full kind of detail to the vehicle. After that, we're going to go through, we're going to do a full 3-step paint correction. This way we at least have a clean kind of base to really start applying these products to. From there, we're going to go through and we're going to fully ceramic coat the exterior of the vehicle. We're going to ceramic coat the face as well as the barrel of the wheels, as well as the full interior. That way we're keeping everything pristine as well as preserved. Now, last but definitely not least, we will apply a full front PPF film to the vehicle. So what that is going to cover is the full fenders, the full hood, the full bumper, as well as both of the mirrors. That way you're going to be protected on that full front of the car. That way everything is safe and good to go. So we're gonna have 4 different packages here that you really can choose from what's really gonna benefit you and your needs the best. First one being our signature package, which I always recommend. Now, the signature package is really gonna include all of the following of what we just spoke about. It's gonna have that full paint correction. It's gonna have that full ceramic coating on the exterior, the wheels, as well as the actual interior. And then that also does include that full front PPF. So our next package that we offer here is going to be our Elite package. Now, what all that really entails is going to be very similar to the signature package that we just covered. However, the only thing you're going to be dropping is going to be that full 3-step paint correction. So you still do get that full front PPF that goes over the car, as well as the ceramic coating application that gets applied to the exterior, your wheels, as well as your actual interior. So the next package is going to be our Pro package. This is where we're going to go in and we're going to do that full 3-step paint correction, as well as we're going to fully ceramic coat the vehicle. So we're still going to go throughout, and as mentioned beforehand, we're going to ceramic the wheels, the interior, as well as the full exterior. But as well, you're going to be getting that full correction on the exterior. The only thing you will be dropping with this package is going to be that full front film. Last but definitely not least, we're going to have our base package. Now, what this is going to entail will be the following. It's going to be a simple exterior ceramic coating going throughout the vehicle. That way we get everything sharpened up, keep everything preserved, as well as keep everything pristine on the car itself. You won't be getting the correction or the film with this. However, if you do just want a kind of base ceramic on the exterior just to keep everything maintained, this is the package for you. So all of this work is done here in-house by our trained certified XPEL technicians. And I will mention that we do this to all of our vehicles. Anything leaving our facility will be receiving this treatment, even if it's just the XPEL Base package that we spoke about. For the PPF, that will actually have a 5-year warranty, same with the ceramic coating. So if you ever run into any factory defects, you could simply either bring it back to us, or if you are out of state, I'm sure you probably will have a XPEL dealer somewhere near you. You simply take it in, they will get everything completely handled for you. For whatever reason, if you did want some sort of customized package, we're more than happy to accommodate. Please just reach out to us directly. We'll work with you and we'll work on getting a quote out for that specific package for what you're looking for. To reach out to us, you can give us a call at 336-978-8818, or you can visit our website at hbiauto.com.